All right, Operation Winter Storm. This is round 7, Japan. I bought 9 infantry for 27. I bought a fighter for 10, and then I bought 5 infantry for 15. All right, we have some attacks. We're going into Calcutta with 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 unsupported infantry, and then what did I do there? There we go. 3 infantry, 3 supported with artillery. All right. Yep, that's it. For Calcutta, and then for C-Zone 44, we're going to bring the 2 tacticals and 2 fighters over to the battleship and transport in 44. All right. Other attacks, we're going to bring the sub from 17 and go into 6. We're going to go into Anhui with 3, 6, 7, 8 infantry against the 2 infantry in Anhui, or 3 infantry in Anhui, 3 Chinese, I think. And then we're going into Kangxi with all these guys. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's another 10, so that's 20, 21, 22 infantry and 4 artillery. These guys are staying back, I think. And that's it. I think those are all the combative moves. All right. Mark something real quick. All right. I guess we can start at the top. Sub and just sub on sub battle. No hits. My sub hit. His sub missed. All right. All right. So no more convoy. That's a walk-in. We've got the 9 infantry. All right. I can actually roll these all together for Anhui. All right, I got 1, or no, he got 2, and I got 2. Okay, so 2, 2. He has 1 left. Hopefully you guys saw that I wasn't looking at the camera. No hits. He got, or I got 1 hit, so it's over. All right, so I lost 2 infantry. 1, 2. So I'm in there with 6, 7 infantry. The Chinese are gone. That's a walk-in, and now for the Calcutta battle, he's got 4 infantry, 2 AAAs. I've got, like I said, 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 unsupported, 3 supported. All right. I'm not bringing any planes in, so no AAA. Oh, dropped a dice. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I got 4 hits. I'll put these to the side. Those are no hits. All right. So he's got 4 defending infantry and 2 AAAs. I'm going to roll the AAAs as black so I can count them. No hits. All right, so he'll take 2 AAAs and 2 infantry. All right, so he's got 2 left. And I've got everything left. Good. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Took out everything. All right, he's got 2 infantry left. Oh, no hits. All right, I like that. That's what we needed. All right. Oops. Like I said, I was going to bring some planes in. That's why there's air fuel markers, but I decided not to, which I'm glad I did. All right. Man, this may change my non-combative moves. Let me think about this for a sec. What else? Oh, okay. We'll do this thing. He's got... Oop, I caught that. Battleship in 44. He's got 3 AAAs, no hits. I like it. All right, I've got 2 fighters and 2 boosted tacticals. I've gotten 3 hits, so he's done. I've got a 4. Oh, dang it. Could have had a clean sweep. All right, so I will lose a tactical. All right, and those all have 1 left. All right. And like I said, this might change my non-combative moves here. So, Onway, King C. All right, I can chip that out. And then Calcutta Falls. Yeah, I think I'll keep the same because I can always come back if I want to hit Calcutta again. Oh, sorry, I had this marked that these guys are flying to the Philippines. It's sort of combat, non-combat, taking out this transport in 43. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 fighters into the Philippines. I guess I can start my non-com. All right. I'm going to rail 2 artillery up to Manchuria. All right. I think they were in there. 1, 2, 3. And then I've got 3. I might change this up, guys. Sorry. They were kind of on the border. I think they might have been in King C. If they were, I'll probably rail another infantry artillery up. But for now, they'll move into Shanghai. All right. I hope you guys don't mind, but I might look at that later. A strat is going to pick up an infantry in Shan State, and he's going to fly to the Philippines. The 2 fighters and 2 tacticals out of Shan State are going to fly to the Philippines. All right. The 2 strats are going to fly back to, what's in here? 3, 4. They'll fly back to Shanghai. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll fly back to Shanghai. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. We're going to get up close and personal here. The AAA is going to walk into Manchuria. The Doran Gobi guy is going to walk into Manchuria. One guy from Johor is going to walk into Chahar. Oop, I don't know why I picked up the airbase, but I can put that back down. All right, sorry for the close-up. Did that. I'm going to take one of the transports from 38. I'm going to pick up the 2 infantry from Sumatra and take them over to Java. All right, the other transport will follow. All right, along with the fleet. So 3 carriers, 2 battleships. Zoom out a little bit. 2 cruisers. All right. The 2 fighters and tactical that took part in the battle for 44 will come back to 42. The fighter from French Indo will go 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's see. These 2 are here. The fighter tactical, I think they will land. They will land on the carrier as well. So I've got room for actually 3 more. I'll actually take the French Indo guy and fly over here. Right. So he's got 3 transports. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hits. Hopefully that works. All right, I was going to do this a little differently. I didn't think I'd be that successful in Calcutta. I'm going to leave one guy in Burma, and then I'm going to move an additional guy into Calcutta. Let's see, the Si Kang guy can't do anything. Move Chahar. Yeah, I think that's all I can do. All right. So Japan's up 5 to 50. And 51 for Anhui. And then I took Jiangxi for 1. So I have them at 52. All right. Yep. All right. All right. So 5, 8, 9 infantry into Japan with a fighter. 3 infantry into Shanghai, I guess. 2 infantry into Malaya. That's super close up. I'm sorry, guys. And like I said, I think I can rail one more because one of them was in... I think an additional one was in Shanghai. So I'm going to put it there. If I can't put it there, I'll shuffle it back to Shanghai. All right. All right. All right, I'm going to do disposition real quick. All right, I'll start up in Tokyo. I have 2 fighters. I have the 9, 10, 11, 12 infantry, 3 AAA. I have a sub in 6. I have 3, 4 infantry, and I think I have 3 artillery and a AAA. In Manchuria. In Shanghai, I have 2 strategic bombers. I have 3, 4, I have 6, 7 infantry in Shanghai. I have 3, 6, 7 infantry in Anhui. I have 1 in Chahar. I just knocked stuff over. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22 infantry in Jiangxi, along with 4 artillery. All right. In the Philippines, I have an infantry, an air transport, and 2 tacticals and 2 5 fighters. All right. Yeah, we'll leave it. In 44, I have 3 carriers loaded with 4 fighters and 2 tacticals. I have 2 battleships, 2 transports, and 2 cruisers. I have 4 infantry on Java. I have 2 infantry in Malaya. I have 1 infantry in Burma. I have, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 infantry, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 11 infantry and 3 artillery. All right. I have 1 infantry in Burma. I think that's it. All right, for money, I'm at 52. 52. And then I have 6 for, actually I have, 6 for 2 islands. And then I get something for Calcutta, liberating Calcutta. I think it's 5 or 7. I'll have to double check. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 52, 6, 7. All right, so I have 58 plus the Calcutta money. I'll have to double check. All right, guys. Like I said, I'll double check that Calcutta bonus, and then I'll post it later. Hey, quick correction. On non-com, I said another one was coming in, but he actually got bumped over to Burma. He was already in. That's why I was hesitating and pausing. Yeah, there's 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 infantry in Calcutta with 3 artillery. So disregard the non-com move. I had already moved him in there. All right, thanks. All right, sorry guys. I looked at that artillery. I think what I'll do is, I think he was in Shanghai. I can still go 1, 2, 3. So they're 3 artillery up there. All right. All right. Later. All right, guys. I was just double checking the income. So originally I had 26. I'm down for Guangxi, Iwo, and Caroline. That's 3, so I'm at 23. And then I have Chahar, Anhui, French Indo, Thailand, Shan State, Burma, Malaya, Sumatra, Java, Philippines, Calcutta, Saka, Amur, and Siberia. Those are 24. So that's 57. Plus I get 6 for Sumatra and Java. That's 3 each. And then I get a one-time bonus for Calcutta. That's 10. I get a bonus for having Calcutta, which is 5. So turn 8 income is 78. All right, later.